Let me ask you a question. Do you wish there was a place where you could learn more about Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, gaming, Mixer, heck, everything just streaming and content creation? You did? Good. I got an answer for you. Let's go. It can be quite overwhelming to find an answer for your particular problem that you're having with streaming or content creation online. Generally, most people go to YouTube, which is probably how you found me to begin with. And I love helping people out. But one of the biggest problems I always have is I get a lot of the same questions over and over, and it's really hard to help out all these people. So I decided, why not create a central hub where I can help more people at once? Hence, I created a website called the InsideCreator.com. This will allow me to provide you all with more information on how to grow your stream with channel branding, tips and tricks, or personal branding, anything like that, as well as content creation online of what will resonate with your audience or community that you're trying to build, or even just simple solutions to make the creations and the content you have bigger and better. Now, if you're one of those particular people out there that want to become more educated with streaming or learn all you need to know about content creation, I did my best to filter down and refine all of my lessons, all of my tips and tricks, all of my videos into a nice little filter section so that way you can refine down on what you need more help with. You want to learn more about streaming gear? Use the streaming gear tab. Want to learn everything there is about Twitch? Use the Twitch tab, and so on and so on. I try to make everything as refined as I can, and as we continue to grow, or as much as you guys like the website and continue to visit, I will keep adding more filters so that way you can find easy answers for all the particular problems that you need solutions to. If you're a brand new streamer and you get easily confused about gear, because I mean, let's be honest, it's very difficult to decide where you're gonna get the best bang for your buck, I do my best to help you under the gears and resources section. You can take a look at all the different cameras that I recommend, or audio or lighting equipment, and you can learn more about them, and you can even see where you can get them for the best deals. And as I keep adding more stuff, I will do my best to keep adding reviews on these products so that way you can be more educated to see what would be the best fit for your content creation and streaming needs. One question I always get asked when I'm on Twitch or just in the YouTube comments of all my videos, if I do any sort of stream coaching or stream assistance, and short answer is yeah, I do. I do them all the time on Tuesdays and Thursdays at twitch.tv/wild4games, where I do channel breakdowns, first impressions, and see ways that I can help you be bigger and better and have a better impact for your channel online. But a lot of people message me or they DM me wondering if I can do more of like a personal one-on-one or private coaching. And to be honest, I would love to do that, but I've never really had the time due to other obligations and jobs that I do. But I'm gonna try my best this year to do it. So I opened up a stream coaching section, which is gonna be more personal and one-on-one. As the page sits right now, it's more of just a list to see who would be interested in doing it. And as I get a little more free time and see what people kind of want and what help they need, I will actually make like categories to see what you want to sign up with, and that way I can see how I can help you best. But if you're interested in stream coaching for one-on-one, that's where you can find that. One of my favorite things that I added to the Inside Creator is its blog. I've always wanted to help people, make them grow and be bigger and better. And one thing I've always heard from people is they always want a shout out. And to be honest, getting a shout out on a YouTube video isn't gonna help. It's not really providing a value or a solution or entertainment to anybody, but that's gonna make them follow through and click on you. So shouting out doesn't really do anything. So I wanted to think of a way that I can help provide a value, a solution, or entertainment. And inside this blog, it is essentially your blog. Once every couple of weeks, I'm gonna put out a notice to take in submissions where all people like yourself, all users, streamers, content creators, can write their own submission for the blog, and I will post it on here, and I will give all the credit to you, and I will give as much shout out as I can on this channel, my Twitter, Instagram, and the blog itself. And all the blog will be user-generated information. And if you'd like to see an example, you can see the first user-submitted generation from our own Primal Instincts, who's a Twitch streamer who tells you 3 free ways to upgrade your stream. It's a great article. I'll put links in the description below, so make sure you check it out. But I'm gonna do my best to help you grow. And I know a lot of people out there on YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, Facebook gaming, everything like that, they all have these great ideas, but they have nowhere to express their ideas. Well, guess what? You can use this blog to express your ideas and help others out as they want to grow as well. Now, as you see the website now, it's not fully complete. I'm still adding things to it, but I always like to put a product out there, and I love to ask the community and the audience, what are some things that you would like to see, or what are things that you need help with? And I will see what I can do to refine the website to help more people out there. So don't be afraid to comment in this video below of things that you don't see on other websites that you need help with. Maybe you need particular type of blog, submissions, gear, things like that. Don't be afraid, because I want to see what I can do to help you out. That's the whole point of this website, is to give you a place to get a little more educated so you feel comfortable, so you can just essentially dominate with your content online. I think it's easy to say that streaming online, content creation online is going to keep growing and growing year after year. It's here to stick around, and it's here for the long term. So having another tool like the InsideCreator.com is going to be a necessity for you if you want to keep growing with the ever-evolving, changing environment of content creation online and streaming. So hopefully InsideCreator.com will be able to help fill that need for you. If you guys like this type of content, you want me to make more videos or direct you to other places that can help you, do me a favor, leave a comment below, and I will see what I can do to help you all out. If you want to help me all out, don't need to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or Twitch this time. Just do me a favor and go on over to the InsideCreator.com and let me know what you think. I will see you all in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care, all. Peace.